As seen here, a reciprocating compressor contains many moving parts. Lube oil is used to maintain the airtightness of moving parts, as well as to prevent wear and jamming between each part. The lube oil that is used on the parts that compress the gas inside the cylinder is called internal lube oil, while the lube oil used on other parts is called external lube oil. Compressors that use internal lube oil are called oil-lubricated compressors. However, in some cases, it may not be possible to use internal lube oil in a compressor when handling gases that react easily to oil. Compressors that do not use such internal lube oil are called oil-free compressors. Teflon containing packing materials with self-lubrication and enhanced wear-resistant characteristics is used for the piston rings and piston rod packing in an oil-free compressor. Let's take a look at a typical plant compressor one more time. An actual compressor runs as one system together with various kinds of auxiliary equipment. A driving machine is connected to the compressor to provide power. The gas that flows in from the suction passage is compressed by the compressor and then released to the discharge passage. In addition, oil filling unit for delivering lube oil is also provided. So far, we have learned about the types and structure of different compressors. However, Mr. A still looks a bit anxious. It's because he does not understand how a gas is compressed. Let's look at the mechanism of compressing a gas after this.